Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we're here with another Plaza update. We have been doing a series of Plaza walking tour, just highlighting what's happening during the Christmas time, highlighting the Christmas shopping. We have done a few plazas already. You can check out those older video or those previous video on the channel. Even uploaded one yesterday. So today we are in New Kingston, the New Kingston Business Center. Just checking an update on this plaza because they're going through a renovation and expansion. Work is still happening, so we're just taking a look at the update and also looking at the Christmas decor, the Christmas shopping and stuff like that. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share and leave your comments. So what we'll do is to walk around the outside and then we go on the inside as well. Over there is the reopened drive-through theater. At night you can really see the movies that are playing. And the plaza overall, it looks nice at night with a lot of lights. So it'll be good to show you guys what it looks like in the night, but I think I can do that. So let's wait for it to get dark, guys, so we can see some of the lights at night. So let's wait. Hold on, it's coming. Yeah, it's getting dark. Almost there. All right, let's take a look at how the plaza looks at night. So there you have it. You had a chance to see what it looks like at night. You see the drive-in cinema, the drive-in New Kingston cinema that they renovated. The space is used for parking in the day, and at night they have the drive-in cinema. The movie that was showing is Wonder Woman, the latest one. I think Wonder Woman 1984 is the title. Very good movie. So you guys can definitely check that out. Alright, let's take a walk inside. Alright guys, so we are on the second floor. So there are still some shops that are empty. And again, BPO space still empty. And again, more BPO space. So this go around the entire length of the building to the back. So I think it's like 600 seats, if not 8. I think it's 800 or 600 seats based on the capacity at head count. So this is a BPO space in the New Kingston Business Center. Alright guys, so that's the New Kingston Business Center. They're still renovating and expanding. I think these will be columns for the 2 floors multi-level parking. Work have slowed down a bit. So we had a quick walk through the plaza, just looking at the Christmas decor, looking at the shopping. It's not as busy as some other centers or some other plazas. It's outside of Halfway Tree. It's in New Kingston, the commercial / financial district. But thanks for watching so far. Leave a comment, remember to like, remember to subscribe and share. So see you on the next video.